Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grind in Skate 3. To begin, approach any rail or ledge with moderate speed. As you get close, push the right stick down, then quickly flick it up to pop your board. This action initiates the jump needed to get onto the obstacle. Timing is crucial. Aim to pop just as your front truck is about to clear the edge. Once airborne, guide your board onto the rail or ledge. While grinding, use the left stick to maintain your balance. Pushing it slightly left or right will shift your weight, preventing you from falling off. Experiment with different left stick positions as you land to perform various grind types, such as a 5-0 or a 50-50. To elevate your grinding, try linking grinds with manuals or other tricks. As you exit a grind, quickly flick the right stick down to enter a manual, extending your combo score. Utilize the left and right trigger buttons to adjust your speed while grinding, allowing for longer grinds or precise exits. Explore all types of obstacles for new grind opportunities. Consistent practice is key to mastering grinds. Head to the training park or create custom spots to hone your skills without pressure. If you are struggling, review your replays to pinpoint exactly where you are going wrong, perhaps your pop timing or balance. Remember, even the best skaters spend countless hours perfecting their technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.